Hello everyone, welcome to Premier Math. Today we are going to discuss some important math problems on calendar based on previous year questions. We will be solving these questions using speed matrix. So let's start our session. Our first question is, how many days are there in Z week, Z days? Here in a week there are 7 days. So in Z week there are 7 into Z, 7 is Z days. Plus there are Z more days. So 7Z plus Z days is equal to 8Z days in Z week Z days. So option B is your answer. Next is, if it was Sunday on 1st January 2017, what was the day on 31st December 2017? Here 2017 is a normal year, not a leap year. So there are total 365 days. 365 days in 2017. Now 1st January 2017 is a Sunday. Then we need to find 31st December 2017. That is last day of the year 2017. Here difference between last day and first day of 2017 is 364 days. So we need to find out odd days in 364 days. So 364 by 7 will give you remainder 0. Which means there are 0 odd days in 364 days. So, if 1st January 2017 is Sunday, then 31st December 2017 is also Sunday because there are 0 odd days in 364 days. Option C is your answer. Next question is, if it was Friday on 1st January 2016, what was the day on 31st December 2016? Here 2016 is a leap year because for a non-century year to be a leap year, it should be divisible by 4. Now always remember, for a century year to be a leap year, it should be divisible by 400. Now here, 1st January 2016 is Friday. Then 31st December 2016 is what day? Here, difference between last day and first day of 2016 is 365 because there are total 366 days in 2016 because it is a leap year. Now find the odd days in 365 days. 365 by 7 will give you remainder 1. Remainder 1 means there are 1 odd day in 365 days. So if 1st January 2016 is Friday, then 31st December 2016 is Friday plus 1, that is Saturday. So option B is your answer. What was the day on 15th August 1947? I will split it as 1600 years plus here 1947 year is not a complete year because it is only up to 15th August. So I will split it as 346 years plus remaining is 1st January to 15th August. So in January there are 31 days, February there are 28 days because 1947 is a normal year, not a leap year. Now March there are 31 days, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31 and August up to 15. Now total days are 30 into 7 is equal to 210. This one and this one goes here, remaining 1 plus 1 plus 15, that is 70. That is 210 plus 17 is 227 days. So 1600 years plus 346 years plus 227 days. Now find the odd days in these three. Here in 1600 years there is 0 odd day. In 346 years, we need to find out the odd day in this. Now in 227 days, here this is days, these are years. So to find odd days in 227 days, just divide it with 7. Then the remainder will give you the number of odd days. 7 goes 3 times in 22, remaining 1. 7 goes 2 times in 17, remaining 3. So, number of odd days in 227 days is 3. Now, to find odd days in 346 years, I will split it as 300 years plus 46 years. In 300 years, there is only one odd day. I will explain that. That is to find odd days in 300 years, first you need to find out leap years and non-leap years in 300 years. To find leap year, just divide 300 with 4. It will give you 75. But here 100, 200, 300 are century years. For a century year to be a leap year, it should be divisible by 400. Here 400 is a leap year, but 100, 200, 300 are not divisible by 400. So these three are not leap year. So subtract these three from 75, which will give you 72. That is, in 300 years, there are 72 leap year and remaining 300 minus 72 is 228 non-leap years. Now, in a leap year, there are 2 odd days, and in a non-leap year, there is only 1 odd day. So, 72 into 2 is 144. That is, there are 144 odd days in 72 leap years. And 228 into 1 is 228. Now, if you add these together, this will give you 372. That is, 372 by 7 will give you remainder 1. That is, in 300 years, there is only 1 odd day. So, always remember this concept. That is, in 1600 years, there is 0 odd day. In 400 years, there is 0 odd day. In 300 years, there is 1 odd day, and in 100 years there is 5 odd day. Now, in 46 years, 46 by 4 will give you 11. That is 11 leap years and remaining 35 non-leap year. So 11 into 2 plus 35 into 1, which is equal to 35 plus 22 is 57. So if you divide 57 with 7, it will give you remainder 1, which means in 346 years, there are 2 odd days. There are 2 odd days. 1 plus 1, 2 odd days. Now here, total number of odd days are 3 plus 2, 5 odd days. And here, first day is not mentioned. Whenever first day is not mentioned, you can take Sunday as 0. Then Sunday plus 5 will give you Friday, which means 15th August 1947 is Friday. Because here first day is not mentioned, so you take Sunday as 0. Then Sunday plus 5 will give you Friday. Option A is your answer. If first day is given, then you have to subtract last day minus first day. Then take the difference, then find the answer. Now, question is, what was the day of the week on 15th August 2013? Find it using the same method. It was Sunday on January 1, 2006. What was the day of the week? January 1, 2010. Here this is January 1 and this is also January 1. In that case, here this 2006 is not a leap year. So 2006 to 2007. Here month and dates are same. So 2006 to 2007 contains 1 odd day. Again 2007 to 2008. 2007 is a non-leap year. So 2007 to 2008 contains 1 odd day. Again this 2008 is a leap year. So this contains 2 odd days. So 2008 to 2009 contains 2 odd days. Again 2009 is not a leap year. So 2009 to 2010 contains 1 odd day. So total 5 odd days. 5 odd days total means 1st January 2006 is Sunday, means Sunday plus 5 is Friday is January 1, 2010. So option B is your answer. I will explain it in detail. That is 1 January 2006 is Sunday. Then 1 January 2007 is, here this 2006 whole year contains 365 days plus first day of 2007 constitute 366 days. Then the difference between these two will be 365 days. This 365 days contains 1 odd day. Again 1 January 2008. Here this 2007 whole year contains 365 days plus first day of 2008 constitute 366 days. Then the difference between these two will be again 365 days. This 365 days contain one odd day. Here Sunday plus 1 will give you Monday. Again Monday plus 1 will give you Tuesday. So again 1 January 2009. Here 2008 is a leap year. So this whole 2008 year contains 366 days plus first day of 2009 constitute 367 days. Then the difference between these two is 366 days, which contains two odd days, which means Tuesday plus 2 will give you Thursday. Again 1 January 2010. Here this 2009 is a non-leap year which contains 365 days plus first day of 2010 constitute 366. Then the difference between these two is 365 days which contain one odd day. So Thursday plus 1 will give you Friday. So this is the concept. Last day of century cannot be. Here 100 years contains 5 odd day, which means Sunday plus 5 will give you Friday. So last day of first century, Friday. Again 200 years contains, if 100 years contains 5 odd day, 200 years contains 5 into 2, 10. But 10 by 7 will give you remainder 3. So in 200 years there are 3 odd days, which means Sunday plus 3 will give you Wednesday. That is last day of second century, Wednesday. Again 300 years contains 5 into 3, 15. 15 by 7 will give you 1 odd day. So 300 years contains 1 odd day, which means Sunday plus 1 is Monday. So last day of third century, Monday. Again 400 years contains 0 odd day, which means Sunday plus 0 is Sunday itself. So last day of century can be Friday, Wednesday, Monday and Sunday. It cannot be Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, because this cycle will repeat for the rest of the centuries. After 400 years, this Friday, Wednesday, Monday, Sunday will repeat for the rest of the centuries for the last day of century. So here your answer to this question is option C, Tuesday. The calendar for the year 2025 will be the same for the year. Here there is a short trick to find out same calendar year for a year. That is, just divide the given year by 4. Then if the remainder is 0, then add 28 to the given calendar year, which will give you the same calendar year. If the remainder is 1, then add 6 to the given year, which will give you the same calendar year. If the remainder is 2 or 3, then add 11 to the given year, which will give you the same calendar year. Same way, here 2025 by 4 will give you remainder 1. Here there is a short trick to find out remainder when you divide a number with 4. That is, take the two right hand side digits, then divide it with 4. That is 25 by 4 as well. 2025 by 4 will give you remainder 1. For example, in the case of 431, if you divide it with 4, the remainder is 3. Instead of this 431, you just take 31. That is 31 by 4 will also give you remainder 3. Now here remainder is 1 means same calendar year is equal to given year 2025 plus 6. When the remainder is 1, add 6 to it. That is 2031 is the same calendar year for 2025. So option C is your answer. Same way, same calendar year for 1576. Divide it with 4. So 76 by 4 will give you remainder 0. If remainder is 0, same calendar year is equal to 1576 plus 28, which is equal to 1604. So option A is your answer. That is 1576 calendar and 1604 calendar are same. Same way, which year's calendar will look the same as that of 2043. Divide it with 4. The remainder is 43 by 4 will give you remainder 3, which means same calendar year is equal to 2043 plus 11. When the remainder is 302, add 11 to the given year, which will give you 2054. So option C is your answer. Same way, if you have to find out same calendar year for 2042, just add 11 to it. That is 2053 calendar and 2042 calendar are same, because when you divide 2042 with 4, remainder is 2 here. When the remainder is 302, add 11 to the given year. Enzo was born on 25th January 2015, while Asta was born 554 days later. On which date was Asta born? Here, difference between Asta's date of birth and Enzo's date of birth is 554 days. That is, consider you write an exam on January 1. Then 2 days later, your exam result published means January 1 plus 2. On January 3rd, your exam result published. So, same method applied here. That is, 25th January 2015 plus 554 days is the date of birth of Asta. Here 2015 is a regular year which has 365 days. But here 25 days are already gone. So 365 minus 25 is 340 days are in 2015. Out of this 554 days, 340 days are in 2015. So the remaining days is 554 minus 340 is 214 days. This 214 days are in 2016. So 25 January 2015 plus 554 is the date of birth. So we need to find out the 214th day in 2016, which is the date of birth. So 214th day means 7 months around 210 days. So January 31, February 29, because 2016 is a leap year. March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31. So 7 months means 30 into 7 is 210. 210 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So 213th day is July 31st, 2016, which means 214th day is July 1st, 31st plus 1, that is 1 August 2016. So option C is your answer. Asa was born on 5th January 2015, while Faiz was born 553 days later. On which date was Faiza born? The difference between date of birth of Faiza and Isa is 553 days. Same kind of question, that is 5th January 2015 plus 553 is the date of birth here. Here 2015 has 365 days. So out of which 5 days are already gone, which means out of this 553 days, 360 days are in 2015. That is 365 minus 5 is 360 days. And remaining 553 minus 360 is 193. Remaining 193 days are in 2016. So this is the date of birth. Now 193rd day in 2016 is the date of birth. 193 days means up to June 6 into 30 around 180 days. So January 31, February 29, March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30. So total 6 months mean 6 into 30, 180, but here 1 plus 1, 2. So 182 days means end of June 30. 6 months means June. So end of June means June 30. But here this is 193 days. So 182 plus 11 of next month. 11 of next month means July 11. So 11th July 2016 is the date of birth. Option A is your answer. Mithu's birthday is on Wednesday 8th March. On what day of the week will be Ritu's birthday in the same year if Ritu was born on 10th July? Here it says that 8th March is Wednesday. Now we have to find out Ritu's birthday which is in the same year on 10th July. That is, we have to find out what day is 10th July. To find out that, first we have to find out the difference in days between 10th July and 8th March. That is, here in March there are 31 days, but 8 days are already gone. So remaining 23 days. Now after March it is April, May, June and July. So in April there are 30 days. So 2 odd days. March there are 31 days, 3 odd days. June there are 30 days, 2 odd days. July means up to 10th of July. So 10 days. Now you can see in 23, 2 odd days and in 10 there are 3 odd days. 2 plus 2 plus 3 is 7. So 7 cancel, remaining 2 plus 3, 5 odd days. So Wednesday plus 5 odd days between 10th July and 8th March. So Wednesday plus 5 will give you Monday. So option A is your answer. Either you can calculate Wednesday plus 5 or you can calculate Wednesday minus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. So Wednesday minus 2 is also Monday. Next is Republic Day of India was celebrated on Thursday in 2017. On which day it was celebrated in 2021? Here Republic Day means January 26. So just we have to find out number of odd days between 2021 and 2017. Here in 2017 January 26 it was Thursday. So we have to find out what day is 2021 January 26. Now 17 is a regular year. So 1 odd day. So 70 to 18 there are 1 odd day. 80 to 19 there are 1 odd day. 18 is a regular year. 19 is a regular year. So 90 to 20 1 odd day. But 20 is a leap year. So 2 odd days. So 20 to 21 there are 2 odd days. Total 5 odd days. So Thursday plus 5 is Tuesday. Thursday plus 5 or Thursday minus 2, it will give you Tuesday. So option A is your answer. If 5 November 2019 was Tuesday, then what was the day of the week on 5 December 2011? Here 5 November 2019 was Tuesday. Now we have to find the day of 5 December 2011. That is going backward. Here this is 5 December and this is 5 November. So first I will equalize the date and month first. That is, first I will find what is 5 December 2019. Here take the difference between 5 December and 5 November. That is, in November there are 30 days and 5 days are already gone. So remaining 25 days in November plus 5 days in December. Total 30 days, which means there are 2 odd days between these two. So 2 odd days means Tuesday plus 2, Thursday is 5 December 2019. Now we have equalized the date and month. Now take the odd days between these 2011 and 2019. Just find the odd days between 2011 and 2019. So 2011 is a non-leap year. So 1 odd day. 365 days means 1 odd day. Now 2012. 2012 is a leap year. So 366 days, that is 2 odd days. Now 13 is a non-leap year, 1 odd day. 14 is a non-leap year, 1 odd day. 15 is a non-leap year, 1 odd day, but 16 is a leap year, so 2 odd day. 17 is a non-leap year, 1 odd day. 18 is a non-leap year, 1 odd day. So total 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, plus 1, 5, plus 1, 6, plus 2, 8, plus 1, 9, plus 1, 10 odd days. Total 10 odd days means 10 by 7 will give you remainder 3. So there are 3 odd days between 2011 and 2019. So here this is going backward. So Thursday minus 3. 3 odd days means this is going back 2019 to 11. We calculated 2011 to 19, but this is going backward. That is 3 days behind Thursday, which is equal to Monday. Or you can calculate minus 3 or plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. So Thursday plus 4 or Thursday minus 3. Both are Monday. So 5 December 2011 was Monday. Option B is your answer. What was the day of the week on 28 May 2006? Here up to 1600 years there are 0 odd day, and in 400 years there are 0 odd day, which means you can directly write up to 2000 years there are 0 odd day. Now find out the odd days in remaining years. Here the 6th year is not a complete year. This year is only up to 28 May, which means remaining years are 5 years. In 5 years, there is only 1 leap year and 4 non-leap year. To find out the leap year in a year, divide the year with 4. It will give you number of leap year. Here, in 5 years, there is only 1 leap year. Now, leap year means 2 odd days. So, 1 into 2. Non-leap year means only 1 odd day. So, 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 odd day. Now remaining is up to 28 May. That is January 2006 to 28 May. Now up to 28 May means in January there are 31 days. February 2006 means non-leap year. So 28 days. March 31, April 30, May 31. But May is only up to 28. So 28. Now in 31, 3 odd days, 28, 0 odd day, 31, 3 odd day, 30, 2 odd day, 28, 0 odd day. Total 3 plus 3 plus 2 is 8. 8 by 7 will give you remainder 1. So 1 odd day. Now you can see here in 5 years there are 6 odd day, and up to 28 May 1 odd day. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 by 7 give you remainder 0, which means here if you consider first day as Sunday, then Sunday plus 0 will give you Sunday, which means 28 May 2006 is Sunday. Option A is your answer. Whenever the first day is not mentioned, take first day as Sunday. Next is, what was the day of the week on 16 July 1776? Here up to 1600, 0 odd days, and remaining means 176 years. But this last year is only up to 16 July, not a complete year. So remaining 175 years. 175 years I will split it as 100 years plus 75 years. In 100 years there are 5 odd days. In 75 years, 75 by 4 will give you 18 leap years. That is, in 75 years there are 18 leap year and remaining 57 non-leap year. 18 leap year means 18 into 2. 36 odd days. 57 non-leap year means 57 into 1, 57 odd days, which means total 93 odd days. 93 odd days means 93 by 7 will give you remainder 2 odd days. In 93 days there are 2 odd days. So here 5 odd day, here 2 odd day. Remaining up to 16 July. So up to 16 July means In January, 31 days. February, this 1776 is divisible by 4, which means it is a leap year. Now, February, 29 days. March, 31, April, 30, May, 31, June, 30, July, up to 16. Now, odd days in 31 is 3, odd days in 29, 1. In 31, 3 odd days, 30, 2 odd days, 31, 3 odd days, 30, 2 odd days, 16, 2 odd days. Total 3 plus 3 plus 1 cancel, 2 plus 3 plus 2 cancel, remaining 2 odd day. So here also 2 odd day. Total 5 plus 2 cancel, remaining 2 odd days. 2 odd days means Sunday plus 2 will give you Tuesday. So option A is your answer. 15th February 2018 is a Thursday. On what day will 18th April 2019 fall? 15th February 2018 is a Thursday. Now we have to find out the day of 18th April 2019. Before that, I will find out 15th February 2019 because I have equalized date and month. Now just take the odd days between 18 and 19. 18 is a non-leap year, which means only one odd day. Then 15 February 2019 is Thursday plus 1, Friday. Now this is 2019, this is 2019. Just take the odd days between 18 April and 15 February. In February, there are 28 days because 2019 is a non-leap year. Out of this 28 days, 15 days are already gone, remaining 13 days. After February, it is March. March, 31 days means 3 odd days. After March, it is April. April is only up to 18 days. So, 18 days. Now, in 13 days, there are 6 odd days. In 18 days, there are 4 odd days. Now, 4 plus 3 cancel, that is 6 odd days between 15 February 2019 and 18th April 2019, which means Friday plus 6 or Friday minus 1 will give you Thursday. That is option D is your answer.